been let down by a tractor mower. Yeah, that's the joy of gardening, isn't it? One machine lets you down, but you've got to be on the ball and think of a way of doing it. So what we did is we got two Hondas. Yeah, two Honda Rotaries, and roughly they fit the stripe. So it's as simple as that. You just drive next to it, behind each other, down the run. A couple of Hondas doing a blooming good job. They're a great mower to use. They're nice and solid. These are the professional ones, obviously, because Ken's using them from World Radio Gardening. But if you want to learn more about grass, the Association of Lawns is also on World Radio Gardening. It's on the stream and it's also on our website. So you can find more about lawns and where the future of lawns is. Quite interesting whether the grass that we're growing today is as hardy as it used to be. But anyway, that's going to stop me getting on. So I reckon I'm going to crack on with the mowing, and the man behind the camera, he's going to quickly show you what we've done, and then he's going to get on his mower. So I'm off.